Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: active SSO login, a clear scanned father name proof, and a working mobile for OTP. Once ready, sign in and navigate to the Profile or Citizen Details section, then choose Edit Details or Name Correction. Make sure to select Father Name specifically. This targets the change request. You upload the scan document and type the corrected name exactly as on proof, because mismatches trigger automatic rejection. Then save as a draft before proceeding. Next, you focus on the detailed execution. Upload the proof file and ensure it meets the portal format and size limits. Then enter the corrected father name, carefully checking spelling, spacing, and special characters since clerks use exact matches. If the portal asks, complete the declaration form and attach an affidavit or Gazette notification. Once fields are filled, preview the application. This reduces back and forth. When everything looks right, submit for verification and note any transaction or reference number. Finally, after submission, you receive a reference ID. Save it and monitor the SSO dashboard for verification updates. Once approved, download the updated profile or certificate and update any linked services like income tax or school records. If authorities request corrections, respond quickly with the requested documents. Troubleshooting tip: if the request is rejected for mismatched evidence, obtain a notarized affidavit matching the exact spelling, then resubmit. This single corrected document usually resolves most rejections and speeds approval.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.